Hi, Chris is here, a co-founder of NutriBot, the meal prep software, and at today's video I would like to discuss about how to use customer segmentation to boost your meal prep business. So let's jump in. As usual, I have a little mind map for that. So let's go deeper, and to start with this topic, I've designed a little chart, a little design picture to show you why customer segmentation is so important and why you should care about the customer segments and why you should directly communicate to the right segments. So first of all, you should understand the laser of focus if you are sending messages to the segments. So if you are imagining the whole traffic on the website, on the internet, or the offline traffic, so this is the circle. It is the all traffic, all the people all around the world or on the internet, and then there is a topic interested people, so your potential customers. So maybe it is the clients if you advertise on Google, for example, which can click on your advertisement because they are interested in the topic, but you don't have the contact to them, so we can call them prospects. It is a common name in sales industry. Then there is a leads. So leads are the people for whom we have a contact. So for example, if they leave the email contact on our website because they sign up to the newsletter, so this is a lead because we can contact with them. So they are potentially interested in the topic and we have any contact with them. Then there is WTP, so this is willing to pay people. So this is your active clients or archived clients, or this is clients of the other meal prep companies. So this is a people which are willing to pay for your product or the service. So this is really important part of the whole traffic, because this is the most effective one. If you show the right process of your business, then it is a great possibility that they will buy your product. So this is one of the most important part of the whole target. And then there is the customers, so your active customers are here, and our segmented communication will go to the WTP, so willing to pay clients, and even further, usually it will be to your active customers and to your old customers. So this is the clients who proved that they are interested in meal plans, they are interested in meal prep offer, they probably order from your company or from the other company as well. Maybe they order from your company half of the year ago and right now they are ordering from another company, but you have a contact to them. And if you send them the right offer, it is a great possibility that they will pay. And it is the one of the most important reason why it is important to send the direct communication, segmented communication to them. The another reason is if you segment the people properly, then you can send the right discounts, the right communication to the right people. For example, if you have a segment like the keto diet lovers, so it is the clients who have ordered the keto diet from your offer, then you can send them the discount code. Hey, we have a 20% of discount for our keto diet just for you. So we noticed that you haven't extended the order, so it is a discount code, 10% of the discount if you come back to us. So this is a segment, so it is really powerful. But what is the issue here? The issue is that it changes in time, and the one client can be in one or more contexts. So if it's changed in time, it is quite difficult to be done in Excel, because the client can extend the order or not extend. They can download the app, so it can be in the mobile app segment. They can change their food preferences. So for example, they can order the keto diet, or they can add some exclusion, and different kind of segments can be created dynamically. It can change. Or if they spend a lot of money, they can be your VIP client starting from now. So it changes in time, and as you can see, it can be one client can be in one or more segments. So to meet this requirement, we can create the folders segmentation, and as you can see, it will not work properly because the folders can have one contact at the same time. So if we have our clients here and the folders, so for example, expired subscription, active subscription, marketing consent, North London, then if we have our clients, we can put them to the right folders. But if we would like to add them to the different folders at the same time, for example, the clients with the marketing consent, it is not possible. So I need to change the folder. So for example, if they are also from the North London, so it is not possible to have the same client in different folders. So it is a huge issue. So it can, as you can see here, one client can be in one or more segments. So to better meet this approach, we are using tags in our software. So we can use the segments as a tags, and we can create different kind of segments, for example, like expired subscription, active subscription, marketing consent, mobile app, iOS VIP, Android device, keto diet, North London, the customers which placed more than 5 orders, for example, or whatever you want. And each segment you imagine can be your tag, and one client can be in more than one segment at the same time. And if you imagine this segment as a tag, then it will look like that. So each client can have a different tags like active subscription, marketing consent, mobile app, iOS VIP, and this is the John Doe. And Steven have the expired subscription and our marketing consent, so we can communicate with them. Then there is a Dina, so expired subscription VIP client, and if you would like to use that kind of approach, you can easily filter the group of expired clients without losing the another topics. So if you are in need to send the communication to the expired clients, you are just filtering by the expired subscription tag. If you would like to use active subscription or marketing consent, maybe let's take the one because the active is the in opposite, then we can duplicate this contact, even not duplicate, but just show it as a result in this context and in this context as well. So as you can see, the tag approach is better here. And as usual, I am showing how you can use the advices I am giving you in our software. So of course you can use this segment communication in any mailing communication or in your software, or however you want, or you can build it in the Excel sheet. But I will show you briefly how you can build the segments and use them in our software. So if we jump into the NutriBot, on the left hand side you can see in the orders and customers section we have the segment section, and I have already built a few different list of segments, but I can quickly add a new segment. I can name it as I want, for example, VIP clients, and now I can see at the bottom all the clients which meet our logical conditions. Right now I don't have any logical condition, so it is more like the all clients segment. What I can do then, I can add any condition I would like my segment meet, and I can choose the condition here. So for example, VIP clients, so let's take a look on that. We can choose orders value greater than, for example, 2000 dirhams. I have a dirhams here on my demo account, but it can be dollars, any currency you are using right now, and just save it. And right now I have a dynamically created list of contacts which spend more than 2000 dirhams in my company. Of course, this is all the fake data because this is a demo account only, and I can create one logical condition to create my segments on more. So for example, I can add another one and choose marketing agreements, so the clients with the marketing consent only. And I have 8 of the clients here. And if I save it, you can see that I have the list which will be dynamically updated. If another clients will meet these requirements, I will have them on this list. Or if these clients will leave some kind of requirements, then they will be deleted from this segment. I can of course add the different information on my list, and I can export it to any other software. So for example, if I have some kind of marketing automation software, I can generate my list and I can daily import them to, for example, marketing automation tool, or I can send the direct communication directly from NutriBot. So if I go to the communication section, messages, I can create a new message. I can choose what kind of message I would like to send, for example, email and text message, and I can quickly generate my email. So for example, discount for VIP clients, something like that. I can choose my segment, the VIP clients, and I can preview which user will receive my email. I can quickly write my email, I can write text message, click send, and that's it. And my segment will receive my direct communication. So hopefully this video is helpful for you and you're agreeing that it is a really powerful tool. So I hope that you will use the segment communication. We have the clients which have a few thousand or more than 10,000 clients in the databases. So this is their active and old clients. So it is also better, cheaper and more efficient to send the communication to these clients. So if you send them the right offer, there is a great possibility that they will come back to you, and it will be cheaper, easier, faster. So hopefully it will be helpful for you. I introduce you to subscribe our channel if you are interested in that kind of materials. I introduce you to sign up to our newsletter, and see you in the next videos. Bye.